How to redeem Nordstrom gift card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem Nordstrom gift card online. For this, launch open any web browser. Make sure to sign into your account. Now, you want to explore the website and add all the items you want to purchase in your bag. After that, you want to tap on this bag icon. Now, you want to tap on the checkout option. Here, you will have to enter some details such as your first name, last name, address, phone number, and zip code. Then tap on the continue option. Now, on the payment section, you will find the gift card option. Tap on the apply a gift card option. Now, you want to enter the gift card code. After that, tap on the apply option. If the gift card you've entered is valid, it will be applied. Then you can proceed to place your order, and in this way, you can redeem the Nordstrom gift card online. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.